Hello guys, how are you? And this is DCE Miner. Today I'm gonna introduce this device. Okay, this device may make you $300,000 overnight, but it is by no means a traditional mining machine. It is the Bitaxe Gamma 601, a revolutionary Bitcoin lottery mining machine. Okay, take a look. Beautiful. Gamma 601 adopts a unique independent mining mode and directly participates in the block competition. It is the high-priced lottery. 1 over 5 million probability of winning 3.125 bitcoins every day. BitX Gamma 601 innovatively adopts lottery algorithm to optimize block rewards acquisition and exchange continuous computing power for the chance of winning, and the price is only 1 over 10 of professional mining machines, with potential returns dozens of times higher. Completely decentralized operation, no reliance on mining pools, direct participation in network consensus, intelligent energy consumption system, real-time optimization, reducing operating costs and improving efficiency. The breakthrough design balances risk and return, creating a new path for mining. It combines the advantage of traditional technology with the characteristics of lottery probability, providing a new investment option.